Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all have to say, what make you clean so? Y'all have to say, what? Quick for talk. Leave me that. Rough them up. Enough see the glamour and the glitter, them say all is well. But when me I go through, only the Lord will tell. One heap of pain, one heap of stress up on me head. As me out born the next day, me granny dead. But them say, why not kill you, make you stronger? Me see some man a try jam me out.
One man, 14 years, good boy, girl. Why gonna be yours?
That she hold man for 14 years. When you're good, you're good.
You're good, I'm in here putting.
Hit the plug in. Innit, man?
And I'll be munching.
Oh, yeah. No, you're your niche, so we don't have munchies here.
Please, we get shout out. Like, you know, she not for like,
In Tati.
Vlog.
Okay, yeah, true. And she's munchy. So who's Auntie Kim?
What they catch it, right? My brother. What's going to come over and what's it again?
Tiffany. No, Brittany. No.
Junior Ocean and Bobby Brady.
No. Uncle Junior can't be ashamed. On the vlog. You see her recent vlog? Where he's telling her, oh, your walk is because you have to go,
the Ocean brother.
yeah. Did you see that vlog? He's embarrassing her.
She will go there with the M1 which means I want to walk this man, she got to come.
Jamaica.
And get icky before you not come down. I think that man is here.
Nah.
Don't see man come.
She said, when girl, good girl. Oh.
Blending.
You want to finish it?
Yo,
y'all check out her channel. Y'all check out her channel. Miss Jules B. They full of excitement.
But if you hear the boy talking about him,
just try about the man. I put it on I don't grade. I put it again. Yeah, munching. Tati, this come on Jamaica and get icky. Yeah, yes, I think I look like here. Tati say, and aim like she said, and if I didn't come out of the car, we'd get more. I don't have to post car. Listen, Ocean, come camp and bite when you're. She's still loving them, oh God.
she's still man over and I love it over.
Ocean still love about Ocean war. Like, can I say Ocean?
The vlog business.
Why not? Life as Tatiana. Tati.
Then the taste good.
That is something but me see you now.
And she can't suppose it says she can't go back.
Then say she tell the people them man and the girl come for a man. Yes, but with knife. I see that you said come for no man.
Yes.
What me not like is she and the boy appear a man and
Yes.
what me not like is she and the boy appear a man and no she have hide down happy man.
Hide.
I like that. I mean expect better.
Hide. No, sir. No.
Is she and the boy appear a man and no she have hide down happy man. You like that. I mean expect better from her.
I don't hide, mommy.
You don't let
Y'all know me already. I don't hide.
you don't let man go on and take back your man and feel him.
Then she's taking back the water and she down there after that.
Target! No. This vlog sweet. I'm not gonna lie. This vlog sweet. The channel name is Miss Jules B. Okay? Vlog number 5, British Summer. Where is it? In London City.
See you, the